Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to get Thor in Archero 2. In this tutorial, we'll cover how to unlock Thor in Archero 2 and the different ways you can obtain this powerful hero. Thor is one of the newest characters in the game, and there are a few possible paths to get him. Occasionally, legendary hero fragments appear in certain shops or limited events, and if you're lucky, Thor fragments may be included, allowing you to slowly save up and unlock him that way. However, the primary and most reliable method is through the Otherworld Summon Gacha. When Thor is featured in the summon pool, you can roll using summon tickets earned from tasks or purchased through Otherworld packs. As you summon, your luck counter increases, and after reaching 400 pulls, you're guaranteed on Eon Care. This luck progress carries over until you obtain an Eon Core or until the summon event changes. Once you receive an Eon Core, simply head to the exchange shop and trade for Thor. You can also test Thor beforehand using the character trial to see if it fits your playstyle before committing to the summon process. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.